This came up for sale, and it was out in the boonies where I kind of wanted to go back to and just have that kind of quiet setting. And found this, fell in love with it, and made an offer and had it the next day. We've been trying to kind of build it into a home, less than just a house over the years. The well pump would kick on quite often, and then one day it just stopped. And when they went to pull the pump out so we could get a new one, it rusted and dropped, and that was the end of it. I mean, we had to abandon it right there. There was no option. And we were looking to get one, and it was just couldn't afford it. We collected rainwater just so we had something. Couldn't use it to drink, couldn't use it to clean, you know, stuff like that, but actually flushing an actual toilet, you know, we had to do that for a long while.
It's so much to ask of everybody that we know. Like, hey, can I come over once a week and take a shower? And, you know, you just hop to different friends' houses so you don't go too often.
For 2.5 years to, you know, constantly have to do that, it's a struggle.
I have multiple sclerosis. I was diagnosed in 2011, so I've been through a lot.
So with Mrs. Olson having multiple sclerosis, her immune system is compromised. So having clean water is paramount.
She's more susceptible to stuff, and you can't keep a clean house, and it's rough.
The family reached out, Andy and Meg, to the Waterworld Trust.
And it all just finally came together, and they just were a perfect fit for all of us to work together with and get them a water well, to get them water again.
Guys, good morning. Welcome to Raymond, Ohio.
We're really happy that Xylem and our partners can come out here today and make sure that they have clean, safe, running water again. We partnered with the Chris Long Foundation, the Waterwell Trust, Seismic Well Drilling, and Warren Pump and Supply.
Just having the different organizations that's awesome. That's like we never thought this day would get here.
You know, this one here is unique because these guys have been out of water for such a long time, and they've, you know, struggled to get the means to get the water.
There are 2.2 million Americans without access to clean, safe drinking water. And you are only as good as the people that surround you, which is why Xylem partners with the Chris Long Foundation, the Waterworld Trust, the Water Systems Council, to bring light to that.
It's really neat to be here and contribute to the whole project and just see, I mean, I've seen the look on their faces. I know they're really super appreciative, you know. Obviously, it's been tough going this long without water, and to have it again is a super big blessing for them.
I appreciate this so much, like, to be in this situation and see everybody, like, here and helping out, it's amazing.
You got it? Grab it here. I got it.
I'm really proud to be a part of this program at Xylem. All of the Xylem volunteers, my coworkers, have flown from all over the country, as well as here locally in the Ohio community. So it's really meaningful to make sure that we are giving back in the way that our values promise that we will.
It's a relief. The struggle's coming to an end. We can actually see it. It was a tough 2.5 years. And to actually have that again, it's emotional. It's been a long time coming.
It's just the beginning. It feels great. I appreciate it so much.
Yeah. Running water.
Water is life, and life is freedom, and we want to be able to provide that for as many Americans as possible.